Now that you've mastered, or not mastered, or at least had a chance to play around a little bit in Excel, I'm going to show you a little advanced technique you might want to use when you get to the point where you have to graph your data. Now, graphing your data on paper, we all know how to plot points along the x-axis and the corresponding y value, and then we can simply do our graph by hand, or we can get Excel to do that for us. And really, anytime we can have a computer generate things that we don't have to calculate or generate, we really should be using the tools available to us. Now, as you can see, we're still working in our 1975 column, and I've gone along and added the months that correlate with the temperatures for that year. Now, in order to insert a graph or a chart, okay, I'm going to select the data first of all that I want to have the chart or I want Excel to build for me. So I do want to include the months in this case, and I want to go to the Insert tab. Now, when I go to the Insert tab, you're going to see a lot of options here. But over here, you're going to see your charts and graphs. And these are the recommended charts, okay? So the first one we're going to pick here, it's just a column graph. So we're going to select the first one. And as you can see, as soon as I selected my data and the chart I wanted to, Excel just went off and graphed that for me. So we can see that in January, the temperature or the average temperature for that month was -9, followed by -8 in February, and so on and so forth, until we get to April, where we hit 4 degrees. So you can see the difference between a negative number here and a positive number here. And you can see that these values are all positive until we get back to the December month. So this is how you would use Excel to make your data chart.